Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Dribbble, how to create a website for eco-friendly packaging design business, easy and quick. So first type Dribbble on the search. So as we know, the Dribbble website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. So first, we know that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. So first, let's sign in. Now create new business. Create business. Enter your business name. Type any business name you want. Uh, Select your industry now. And now enter your location and choose your website language. Create business. Now wait a few seconds to generate this website. So first, let's go to the first section on the website. The header, you can edit it from here. Here if you want to change the site name, also here if you want to turn this on and replace company name with the logo, you can upload a file. Here if you want to change the label or add a new label, you can add external link. You can turn this on also here, open link in a new page. And if you want to edit the social links, and here also you can add the channel. Just select the type of the social link, for example Facebook, and add the link of Facebook. So that's it. Now if you want to add the style of the section, from here the size of the shape, if you want to turn this on, the spacing or the background. So that's it. If you want to add the section, just click here, select any section from here you want, and that's it. Let's move on to the next section. Next section, the banner of the website. You can edit this here. If you want to change this, just click regenerate and it will be changed. Also the subtext, if you want to change it, just click here and it will be changed. The bottom, you can turn this on and add a new label or add a link. If you want to add edit the style of the section, the spacing, the top or the bottom, or the horizontal alignment, or the background overlay. Here if you want to turn this on and combine with header. So let's close this, apply. Next section, uh, this is the gallery section of the website. You can edit from here. Now if you want to change this, also here if you want to generate another image, you can upload image from browser and just put it here and it will be uploaded. If you want to from library, pick some image from here from library. You can also pick image from here, for example this. If you want to edit the style of this section, the hidden alignments or the type, for example like this, the image, the spacing or the background. So that's like this. Now let's move on to the next section. Next section is the text section of the website. Edit. Now if you want to generate another text or edit the style or the size of the writing, for example like this. Now if you want to edit the style of this section, the alignment, for example this, the spacing, or the background. So like this. Now let's save it. Next section is the list section of the website. You can change, edit it from here. Now if you want to change the heading, also here if you want to edit the display settings, choose what will be displayed for each list item. Here you can edit the list items, you can add the list item. Here if you want to generate image, you can edit the image position. Also here if you want to generate a title or content. So that's it. The style of this section, the alignment, or the image, or the spacing, or the background. So that's it. Next section is the testimonial section of the website. Edit. Now here if you want to add testimonial, you can generate a code, you can generate by who, and also here if you want to upload a file. So that's it. If you want to edit the style of this section, the alignment or the spacing or the background, like all the previous sections. This is the location section of the website. You can change this here if you want to change the business address. You can add the text file here if you want to add the title or the content. The style of the section, the type or the theme or the rounded corners or the marker color, the background, all this you can edit it from here. For example this, like this. So now let's move on. Next section is the contact form section. You can edit it from here. Now if you want to regenerate another contact form, you can manage files, and here if you want to turn this on and custom input labels, you can generate a form success message. The style of this section, the form alignment or the spacing or the vertical alignment or the background, all these you can edit it here. So let's save it. The next section is the last section on the website, the footer. You can change your business name. You can also turn this on and replace company name with a logo. You can upload the file here. If you want to add your business address or any other relevant details, you can turn this on and add the label or add the external link. You can edit your social links, and also here if you want to add a channel. So let's save it. Now if you want to regenerate the content or the style of the entire section, just select any options here you want. If you want to duplicate it from here, if you want to move it up or move it down, and also if you want to delete the section from here. Now all you have to do is wait a few seconds to publish your website and get your free custom domain name. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.